All right, folks, it's time to retire this hat to the scrap pile. Grease stains, sweat stains, faded worse than my old Marine Corps skivvy shirt. But hold the convoy. We just got our brand new 13 Adventures embroidered hats from ShopDog in Salt Lake City. Big shout out to Zane and the team there for quick work. I've been searching for months for quality embroidery, stellar customer service, and a price that doesn't make me go pawn some of my most prized possessions. ShopDog, they killed it. Check out these stunners. You got navy blue with a white mesh and a crisp white embroidery, sharp as a Marine in uniform. Then there's charcoal with a black mesh and a sleek light gray embroidery, cool as a mountain breeze. These hats are so legit, I might wear them out to a tailgate or climbing under my Airstream. This old hat's still good for climbing under the rig or climbing under the truck, so I'll keep it. I'm not really going to throw it away. It's a favorite hat. But these new ones, they're for you. You can grab one hat for 30 bucks or two hats for 50 bucks. Shipping is included. And if you get two, you get all of our stickers. This one's my favorite. Supplies are very limited. And more importantly, all the proceeds from these hat sales go to two of our favorite charities, the Fisher House and the Muscular Dystrophy Association. We are passionate about helping others, particularly families in need. How do you get one? You send me a DM and I'll give you instructions on how to order. And I'll ship them until we're completely out. Oh, and if you're going to be in Colorado next week, come see us at the Colorado Airstream Rally in Larkspur. You can snag your hat in person or stickers. Or just drop by and say hello. We'd love to see you and love to meet you all. Pick your style. Navy, charcoal, both, plus stickers. Please help us support our favorite charities. Thanks for making us a part of your adventure. Have a great day, everybody.